Hello everyone, welcome back to another React interview discussion. Today we are going to discuss another common React interview question. What are React hooks? If you haven't watched my previous React interview discussions, I recommend checking them out first because today's topic builds on those concepts. So let's get started. If an interviewer asks you what are React hooks, you can answer like this. React hooks are special functions introduced in React version 16.8 that allow functional components to use features like state and lifecycle behavior without writing class components. In simple words, before hooks were introduced, developers mainly used class components whenever they wanted to manage state or lifecycle methods. But after hooks were introduced, functional components became much more powerful and easier to write. Now let me explain this with an example. Imagine your mobile phone. It already has basic features like calling and messaging. When you install apps like Maps, Camera, or Notes, your phone becomes capable of doing much more. React hooks work in similar way. They give functional components additional capabilities such as managing state, handling side effects, and much more. That's one of the biggest reasons why functional components are the preferred choice in modern React development. Now, another follow-up question is how many hooks are available in React? React provides several built-in hooks, but the most commonly used ones are use state, use effect, use context, use ref, use memo, and use callback. Among these, use state and use effect are the hooks you will encounter most often in interviews and real world projects. Let's quickly summarize today's discussion. React hooks are special functions. They were introduced in React version 16.8. Hooks allow functional components to use state and lifecycle features. Modern React applications mainly rely on hooks. The most commonly used hooks are useState and useEffect. I hope this explanation was helpful. If you would like me to discuss another React interview question, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Happy coding!